Man, some goodies have arrived. A little unbox session. See what we got here. Chilling here with Benny again. It's here a bit. Yeah, I was gonna say that one-handed unboxing doesn't seem ideal. I don't know what this one is, but the other two have something to do with panel and paint written on them, so you can guess what they are. There we go. Unboxing skills. Get it there, rip it apart. Asian writing, I'm going to guess this is to do with my lift. Single to 3-phase converter for the lift. Cheap Chinese one. How long it'll last. Pretty small. Most of these things cost like 5 to 14 grand, so I'm with a couple of hundy. It claims to do a couple thousand watts. Looks like it should. Oh, a wild weight it is. We talk about that happening.
Fuck, I thought you'd have fucking vtec on your little trailer.
Fucking inverter, fucking thing for the lift, 3-phase converter.
Oh, hey, is that how big it is?
Couple $100. Yeah, it's tiny.
Bro's got one and it's like
Just
as big as his fucking
some stuff on it. Yeah, like $200 or $300. Oh yeah, it's got cooling pins. That's what you want. Play it like an instrument. Make a beat. Alright, what do we got in these ones? Thinner and paint. One would hope. Open this one like I'm not handicapped. Oh, it's looking good.
Christmas is coming early.
It wasn't my Christmas, yeah, it wasn't my Christmas. Premier panel beating supplies, AAA thinner, 5 litre.
oh man,
Shiny bunch of a tin, that one, eh? Be gone. So you'll want these so you can send plants to people.
What's been going on, Wade?
Oh, everything.
All sorts of stuff.
How'd you get
Yeah,
here?
got the 230 motorcycle going on.
Yeah.
Man,
This
down
is
there.
like a frame, bro. It was fucking a week ago, it was a frame.
Hey!
You sitting out the rubbish.
Alright.
I didn't know anything was for it, I didn't pull it apart, but I found every bolt for it and just like did it.
Yeah, weapon. Alright, we got 2K clear coat.
Oh, look at it, bro.
Yeah,
Oh, now it's flooded.
on display.
Street clean.
Yeah, I'm fucking excited, man. I have a shiny ass car. Nuggies. Alright. Weirdo, pulling some dents out of the back here. Ooh, it's satisfying as fuck. You see it coming back, eh? Bye bye bacon. Can't remember if I said it or not, but I'm sort of settling on a bit of a cream yellow colour, I think, with a bit of mica effect or some kind of metallic in the fine metallic in it. Mean. She just sands it so you can see the high and low spots, because this paint's going anyway, so it doesn't really matter if we sand it, so it makes it a bit easier.
It's like guy code almost, eh?
Yeah, hard, exactly, yeah, just use the existing shit that's there.
A couple of mils in the paint. You can get that shiny bit.
But it already looks like a million times better, it's ridiculous. Bit of bog, you can see there's already a bit of bog.
That shiny bit.
I don't know if you'll be able to see it in the video after YouTube's algorithm does whatever it does, but you can see the old bog sanding marks and stuff. Bro, it looked like absolute bacon before, now it's actually like hard to tell exactly where the dents are.
See that shiny bit there? You
Where's
can
that?
actually rub it and it'll like stretch it out.
So much better.
Yeah. See that, bro?
Now it's sanding
that
it.
shiny bit is coming up. You can rub it like that. And then with a block. See a bit more, there you go.
See where you're at. Just small stages, a little bit at a time. So I mean, like massage it out there.
Yeah, bro, it is. And pretty much like that whole crease bit's gonna be all gone.
Yeah, sweet. So that's probably about the end of the video there, I'd say. Got a bit done. Got most of the dents out in the back there. So like some more of it sanded up, so I'd like drawing circles around various dents on the car. There's a few here and there. Boy. Yeah. Yes. Feel like yeah, dent there, dent there, dent there. There's a heaps of it. It's like here and there. There's some more sanding tomorrow, and get the car largely sorted, ready to be primered. Put some high build primer on there, and we've also got a couple of the little bits and pieces that need to be sorted out. Gonna have to cut the scrap out and weld some bits of metal in there. I'm not thrilled about it, but it is what it is. I'm not too worried. It's like, you know, 30-year-old car, you gotta expect some rust in some places. Pull all the lights out and start masking stuff up tomorrow. Sanding. Alright, that'll be all. That'll be all, folks.